The American dollar has been around since 1792. The British pound has lasted 13,000 years, but Korea has changed their currency up to 6 times since the early 20th century. Why can't they make a decision on this? I mean, how are people supposed to have any financial security? Well, if you think I'm just blowing a bunch of smoke, let's take a quick look at how many times the currency has changed. There's a display case showing money throughout Korea's history. This is a smorgasbord of random objects. Here's a quick rundown of Korea's money history. In ancient times, Koreans mainly bartered with grains and cloth or used Chinese money. During the 12th century, a silver vase called unbyung was used among the rich. In the 15th century, they used coins made of arrows. Then during the Joseon dynasty, they used these weird coins with holes in them. They called them moons, spelled M-U-N, not M-O-O-N. Then during the 20th century, Korea flip-flopped between a few different currencies. First there was the yang, then the won, then they used the Japanese yen. Is it just me, or is this starting to sound like an early 2000s hip-hop duo? But anyways, after the Japs got kicked out of World War II, they went back to the won. Then for some reason, they switched to the yuan. Hola, amigo. But finally, in 1962, they settled on the won, and it's been the currency ever since. Overall, my favorite is the arrow coins. It was ingenious because if war ever broke out, everyone would take their money and fling it at their enemies. This kind of reminds me of how this bozo went out. Whoa. That's quite a turnover, but I'm glad Korea has been using the won for at least half a century. It gets kind of disruptive when something as important as currency gets switched up on you. I mean, there's been talk about the collapse of the dollar for a long time now. And it does seem like there's a possibility of that happening, but it's comforting to know that when the currency does change, it won't be the end of the world. I heard that when India changed their currency, they just exchanged the previous one for the new one. It's like going to change your chips at the casino for cash. So what do you guys think? Do you think Korea went a little trigger happy with their money system?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Well, one thing's for sure, in the end, God always provides. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. On this channel, I make entertaining informational videos about Korea. If that's your thing, please consider subscribing. And with that, I'll see you on the next Pixex in Korea.